Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download a Discord on your PC. In first step, open a Firefox. Then search Discord. Click download. And wait to download. If you are done, click that file and wait. This is Discord. You can log in your account now. That's it. Thank you for watching to my vlog. Please like and share to my channel.